What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a quick little video. We're doing the front brakes, pads and rotors on my dad's Corolla, and so I got it set up right now. It's on the jacks and everything, and we're going to be using Bendix pads and rotors. I've never used the rotors before, so I don't. Hopefully these are good, but at work we use the Bendix pads all the time. They're great pads, and we got these off of Rock Auto for 80 bucks for the set. Comes with everything. But basically, my dad's been having really bad vibrations in the brake pedal and steering wheel. And like really bad, like when you brake, the whole car freaking shakes. So we're gonna go ahead and swap everything out in the front here, and he should be good to go. So yeah, I got the wheels loose. I'm gonna take those off, and we'll get right into it. Alrighty guys, so we got everything set up now. This is gonna be a pretty simple job. You're gonna need some brake clean, you're gonna need the caliper compressor, and then as far as the sockets to get the caliper off and everything, you need a 17mm and a 14mm. So yeah, those are set up right here. I'm parked as much in the shade as possible because today's weather in California is freaking ridiculous. Like, look at this. It's 103. So that's lovely. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so to start off, we're gonna use this ratchet. It's got the socket on it. We're gonna get these slide pins out so we can get this the caliper bracket or the caliper off. So that's what we're gonna start with first. So it's just a 14mm and just got 2 bolts. しているで読み直しているでキスしたいとで読み直しているで読み直しているだけがで読み直しているで読み直している And but we got 2 bolts out here. And slide this out. And just like that, we got this part off. We can take one of the pads off so we can take a look at it. So as you can see, these pads are actually quite thick still. Don't really need replacing, but here's what it is. We're just going to do everything all at one time. So we don't have to deal with it. And now the 2 bolts that hold this part in, we're going to use a 1/2 inch on, just because usually those are a bit more tight on there. Alrighty, just like that. Pop that out. Boom. Rotor's out. Pretty simple actually. Not really much to it. So now we got the Bendix pads and rotors. Package or your brackets here, and your pads, of course. Look like good idea to match them up with the old ones. And, yeah, I'd say that's a good match. So that's good. Those are all good. Also a packet of grease. And usually at work I like to use this thing called disc brake quiet. You can get it at probably any parts store. O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Napa. We get ours from Napa. It's just like a spray paint that kind of goes over this part of the brake pads, and I spray it on the back of all of the brake pads. And yeah, it just helps retract the brake pad with the caliper. Keeps them from dragging and all that. And then We got the rotor right here. My pocket knife I got from Mexico. This is a dope pocket knife. So, these rotors, it looks like they come with some oil on it. So I'm gonna go get like a rag and we're gonna get some, I got the brake clean right here. We're gonna spray it down front to back with some brake clean and wipe it off. Just make sure that's nice and clean. I don't have a lot of brake clean, so try to make this two rotors. Alright, nice and clean. There we go. Nice and easy. Trying to pump my legs. So what we can do to help keep this rotor in place, is just get a lug nut, roll it up on there. Boom. Now that's not going anywhere. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to want to grab our caliper compressor. We don't need wood. Just grab an old brake pad, put it on that piston. Grab this up. Go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead and retract that. Press that caliper. The caliper is pressed. That's done. We're going to go ahead and take this and swap out the brackets real quick. Alright, so we got the new brackets on there. Now we're just going to put some of this grease that comes in the packet as well on the brackets for the brake pads. Pretty simple. I don't know how well you guys can see, but we just put grease on the brake pads. So, yeah, now that's done. We can go ahead and put these back on. So that's nice and tight. Now we can put the brake pads on. Put the caliper back on. And put these two bolts back in. Like that, we're done with this side. Now we gotta go do the same thing on the other side. And it's literally the exact same process. Alrighty guys, let me show you up close what bolts you have to take off. In case you weren't aware, you got one right here, got another one right here. Those are the 14mm ones. Back here, you got one right there and another one right below it, all the way down there. Those are the bolts that you gotta remove. Alrighty guys, so we're all finished up. We went ahead and torqued the wheels down to 80 foot-pounds, and you just need a 21mm socket for those lug nuts. Next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and, oh, I guess I need the keys. Gonna go ahead and start the car. and then make sure that you press in the brake pedal so those pistons sit on the brake pads. Then just want to make sure that your brake fluid is full, which is a bit low. It's down here and it's supposed to be up here, but no problem, we can just add some. Just .3 it says right here on the lid. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive and make sure it runs alright. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna end the video. So I have more content for a bug eye. I just haven't gotten to it yet. We're gonna do a couple more tests. Still running like garbage. It kind of actually overheated on me twice. Not all the way overheated, but like it got hotter than it's supposed to. It wasn't good. My idle was at like 1200 RPM. It was just really bad. So we're gonna do some tests there, and then we're also installing the wing pretty soon if I ever get the energy to. Yeah, so hopefully we'll be installing the wing pretty soon. We got the holes drilled out. I just gotta grab some Bondo and cover all the old holes, and then pick up some screws and some pressure washers. But yeah, we got all the holes drilled on the right spot now. Now all I gotta do is pick up that stuff. We should have the wing on there. So that's to come once I actually get to it. Otherwise, that's gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.